Welcome to this Rapid Global tutorial video for the Incident Reporting package. My name is Jared, and in this video I will show you how to navigate the settings page and provide an overview of the most commonly used functions. To access the settings page, select the cog in the top right hand corner of the package. Here you will see three options in the drop-down menu. Select Settings to access the settings page. Here you will find various functions to customize your incident reporting package. In this first section, called Edit Personnel Details, you can search for and edit the details of any existing people in your package, or add new persons into your package if required. The Download Incident Data section allows you to run a report for up to a 12-month period, where all of the available data in the system for that period is exported to a spreadsheet. The Form Configuration section contains adjustable settings for the various sections of the Incident Report and Investigation Report. If you wish to delete or remove anything from this section, please contact Rapid Global for advice on the best way to achieve this. Thanks for watching this overview of the system settings in your Incident Reporting package, and we'll see you again in another Rapid Global tutorial video.